This fall, our school assembled its first volleyball team. Students in our upper academy competed against other schools.
It's been some of the most enjoyable times I've ever had while teaching. Being down there, watching the improvement happening, having people so eager to learn, and getting that eye of the tiger competitive spirit has been one of the most enjoyable things I've done in my career.
We also hosted a student versus staff volleyball game. Senior sports reporters Zaire and Anaya have this story.
Students and staff gathered in the gym for a friendly volleyball match.
The teachers dominated the students so bad that we didn't even keep score.
In other sports news, our school soccer team once again competed valiantly on the field. Here's the story from senior anchor and sports reporter Nasir Johnson.
The Marian Anderson's Wildcat soccer team played matches in the fall. The team was led by top scorer Luca from 7th grade. The team was coached by Mr. Burks. Most of the team's success came from defense and communication.
I don't know, I just like sports, so my friends was playing soccer, and I wanted to get into it too. This is my first time actually being on a soccer team, but I sometimes play soccer on my free time.
Basically, soccer, I've been playing for a long time, and I like how you use your legs mostly, and I'm good at sports, so I use your legs, and I'm fast, and I have good kicking power.
The boys basketball team had 4 wins, 4 losses this season. 7th grader Caden and 8th grader Zaire were the highest scoring players for most games. The team was coached by Mr. Phil.
Well, that's all the news for today. Thanks for watching.
I'm Serenity.
I'm Nasir,
Signing off.